Good afternoon at 6:18 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Date 3/24/2019. What do I have? I have AutoZone. Why do I have AutoZone? Why do we trade AutoZone? I'll tell you again. When you're trading options, the range of that AutoZone is $36. Yes, and it's overbought. This is the beginning of a reversal. There's where it rallied up to. It's been in a great bull run, as we can see, and then had another base and another breakout right off of that. 10-day simple moving average. I'm also going to find the weekly chart and bring that up. This is the downside move. 1982 is the number for 1015 down to 979.25, closed at 101. The 1020 put option on AutoZone comes into play. I'm going to show that here in a moment. Once that AutoZone top got put in on Friday with the rest of the market, and AutoZone will go down again tomorrow, there's no doubt about it. Once again, you get these high flyers, $19.82. They mark it off one, but they marked that total range of 36.5. That meant that the put options were going to be the one that was going to be making the money on shorting to watch Amazon fall. Yes, it acts like Amazon, but AutoZone and Amazon have something in familiar with the actual breakout patterns before they end up making their big move like this one just did up here on these highs and whatnot. We're comparing the mathematical beta to another trade and how they run in the option pit and whatnot. So that 1020 put on 322 was the right place to be. And let's go ahead and take one more look at it. You can see how strong this bull trend has been in 2019. This is a weekly chart on AutoZone, and we kept trading it, both ways. But we had a nice 4-week breakout up here, and then they continued it with another 4-week move up here to the reversal, which brings in the 1020 put option in play. One thing about a correction, they start like they're starting now. I'm just going to advise everybody, the pullback should be fairly decent, fairly strong, but the volatility price ranges are going to continue to go higher. That is something that you haven't seen. October, November, December 2018, you really seen it then, and I was here with you all the way. So here's what I'm going to say. What I would like to point out is when we get overbought, that blue bar sticking up here toward the top, the chart is very bullish. Great base, 2 different 4-week breakouts, little pullback to support. Bam, we're going straight up there. We're in the middle of a beginning of a correction. It started on Friday, and we're just going to take this trend line right here, right now, and we're going to put it here on this weekly. And we're going to know exactly what will happen to the price. This ain't going to be the issue. The issue is the bigger sell down could be on Monday. AZO, we're going to close this out. You can see where the low was on Friday. That got down there to 979. Yes, it did. 1015 down to that 979 on this daily chart here and now before us. And once again, corrections and pullbacks start after a big run. And there's nothing bearish about the chart, but you can get paid both ways in our view. So once again, daily chart, AutoZone, it's paying the put side. Big reversal is there. Monday would be a follow through on 325.